all over the world, and no matter the task, our teams share a singular ambition, putting our collective talent to work for the energy transition. We are experts, integrating innovative and sustainable solutions across the electrical value chain: production, transmission, transformation, distribution, and local infrastructure for all our customers today. Because even if the energy transition is about a more sustainable future, it can only succeed thanks to all that we can accomplish today. We're implementing turnkey energy production infrastructure based on low-carbon and renewable energy sources. Our innovations make the deployment of tailor-made, customer-focused solutions possible for projects that are more efficient, with a dramatically reduced environmental impact. Today, we focus on all aspects of energy infrastructure: security and stability, flexibility and accessibility, performance, with a commitment to safety that is second to none. At Omexom, we share the same goals. To help make them a reality, we focus on learning from one another at every moment and every opportunity. No matter how little or how much experience we possess, we all have something to share. And because we stay open-minded, we can go beyond the status quo. The women and men of Omexom succeed because they're never afraid to try, never afraid to take on today's challenges to prepare the world of tomorrow. We support energy producers, transmission and distribution network operators, local authorities, and of course, their users. We are prepared for even the most difficult of seasons.
I'm just looking at the storm right now, and you are right. We're still going to catch most of that rain.
We're prepared for the unexpected, here or there. At Omexom, we know who we are and where we want to go. We know the planet is facing challenges like we've never experienced before, which is why we provide the right solutions for a better tomorrow. Today.